Hey, what's up, everybody? So I got a surprise from EDC Orlando 2020. I'm about to show you what is in here in a little bit, but this is kind of like a sad moment because around this time I should have been releasing a video from Ultra, the unboxing ticket, but unfortunately it got canceled because of all the coronavirus and all that stuff. And a lot of people got mad because obviously we couldn't get a full refund. Well, we couldn't get a refund at all on the Ultra tickets, and I bought two, and now the person that was supposed to go with me is not even going with me no more, so I got an extra ticket. And the thing that got me mad about it is like, well, it's not really got me mad in a way because it's kind of like a good deal at the same time for if you want to tell your other friends, because now what Ultra is doing, instead of giving you a refund, they're giving you benefits. So what it does is like now they're giving you you can buy a ticket, an extra ticket for $250, which is really cheap compared to other for regular price, because the cheapest one that you can buy from Ultra is like $400, which is still expensive and it's like really hard to get. I couldn't get when it first came out. I couldn't, like, right on the hour that came out, I couldn't get it. I ended up buying it for a little bit, like $450, because I ended up getting like tier 2 instead of tier 1. But anyway, so I guess it's kind of good that they did that. So now you can choose either Ultra 2021 or Ultra 2022. So unfortunately, that's the only thing that we can do about it. And the worst thing about it is that all the parties in Miami, they get canceled. So even everybody that had plans to go to Miami, like me, I couldn't cancel the hotel because I didn't buy the insurance, because I didn't think anything like that was gonna happen. But luckily I managed to get my refund on it, because every party, it's pretty much they shutting down the whole Miami. They're not completely shut down by all the after parties, spring break, all the beach, like on Ocean Drive. I'm pretty sure that's was it closed, so they're pretty much closing everything. So I'm glad that I was able to get my money back, because it was expensive. And the bad thing about it is that people that they were coming from other countries. Some of them they cannot they cannot get their money back, so they're still traveling to Miami. And I feel bad for them, because now Miami, they don't really have anything going on. I heard that they're still gonna have small parties, but it's not, obviously it's not the same. And what people got mad about not getting a refund is because obviously a lot of people come from other countries, and then like you have to plan ahead, and it's more money you have to spend, because like the people that coming from other countries, they couldn't get a refund. They have to spend the same amount of money next year, and it's not cheap. Even though Ultra give you to choose 2021 or 2022, I feel like the reason Ultra did that is because they knew if they would have give us refund, a lot of people would have go next year, and I probably would have went. I'm not sure, because to me Ultra is like really expensive compared to other festivals, compared to EDC Orlando. By the way, as right now, EDC Orlando, even though it's small, is one of my favorites. I don't know, it's because it's one of my first festivals that I went to, but as right now, that's my favorite one. EDC Las Vegas, I don't like it just because of the fact that you have to pretty much be on the bus an hour just to get there, and an hour to drive back, even on Uber and all that. But anyways, so let me start talking about Ultra, and let me start talking about EDC Orlando, because EDC Orlando is finally stepping up the game, and I guess they got tired of hearing a lot of people. I don't know if there's a lot of people, but I know for sure. And if you have seen my other videos, I was complaining about EDC Orlando and how cheap they are with their tickets, because EDC Las Vegas, they give you other small things. I know it doesn't really matter, but to me it does matter, because those kind of things to me make your day better. Because like I said, this weekend I should be going to Ultra, but obviously I'm not doing anything. I stay at home because of the thing going on, and just because this EDC made my day better. So I'm about to show you what it is. So I'm really glad they did this, finally stepping up. And what we got here is some stickers. I know it's a sticker, but like I said, this is the thought that counts, and it does make you feel better. So we do get like I get 2 of each, I guess, because I bought 2 tickets. So I don't know if you can see, you get like that insomnia, and then obviously got 2, and then I got like that one, EDC Orlando, and then another one, EDC Orlando 2020. I don't know if you can see it. And then we get like a little card saying with a little message on it. It pretty much saying, future hours, I can't wait for you to join us, EDC Orlando 2020. Enjoy this special sticker pack I put together here for you. Thanks for being a headliner. I will see you in the future. And then it says at Pasquala Rotella. I don't know how to say that. Anyways, that was like really nice of him to do this, because like I said, it does make you feel better. Well, it does to me, even though it's just like little stickers, but it does make me feel like they're thinking about us. So, and after Ultra being cancelled, and what's the other one in Tampa? Summer Music Festival, more likely it's gonna get cancelled because it's on May. As right now, I think a lot of events are getting cancelled on May, so it's gonna be a while for us to go to a rave. So I'm really ready for EDC Orlando, because I think that's gonna be my only festival that I go this year. I don't know yet, because all this, we see what happened with this whole coronavirus. So I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.